Hi guys, this is Soft Reason. You are welcome. In this lesson, we will be doing something like this, just like this. Like if I want to, I can just change this place. Okay, change this to shaded, just like this. Also change this one to shaded. Okay, just like this, and also this to uh, shaded or constructions. Okay, so we will be looking at this foundation columns and then the base plates that we hold down uh, this tension. Okay, this tension. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at in this lesson, just like this. Okay, so before we proceed, I want to ask you to give this lesson a thumb up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more advanced lesson. Okay, all right, so let's go into the lesson. So I want to go to view type. Okay, just and then this one, click on this one. So this is the uh, model we are going to be looking at. So I want to create a new project. I want to create a new project. I've closed the other tab and then click on new file. Okay, then select new in the new project. In this part of my country, we use a matrix. Okay, so structural metric template. Click on. Okay. Yeah, all right, so a new project has been created. Okay, so this is the level 1 of the project and this one is the level 2 of the project. Okay, so I want to go to the south elections. So these are the levels, okay, for this new project. So I want to create more levels. Okay, level for the foundation footings, the level for the columns, and the level for the stanchion. Okay, so click on the level. Can you trace this down? Okay, create this one now and then another one here, just like this. All right, so click on modify. All right, so I'll select this. I want to edit this height to be 450, which is the footing thickness. Okay, 450, just like this. Okay, then this one I want to make it 1000, which is the height of the column, 1000, just like this. Okay, so this one I want to make it 3000, which is the height of the stanchion. Okay, just like this. All right, so if you check very well, this thing is colliding with the other one. So I want to let me just adjust this just like this. Okay, then rename this one. I want to rename this one to be the uh, foundation level. Okay, just foundation level like this. Okay, so yes. Okay, so this one, let me adjust this one. So this one, footing level. Okay, FL. Okay, just like this. Then this one is normal ground level. Okay, this is the normal ground level, just like this. Then this one is the roof level. Alright, so after creating the elevations like this, levels like this, okay, I want to just adjust it a little bit, just like this. Alright, so I want to go to the footing level. Okay, I'll navigate to the footing level, just like this. Okay, so I want to draw a grid. Okay, I want to have one grid here, and then I will have another one here. Alright, this will be one. I want to rename this one to be A, just like this. Okay, all right, so after which I want to place the foundation. Okay, so I'll go to the structural just like this, and I will go to foundation. So in the foundation, I'm having this footing size of 1800 by 1200. So I want to edit this. Okay, so I click on edit. Okay, if I edit it, I'll have to duplicate it. Okay, and give it another name. So I'll be having footing of 1200 by 1200, then by 450 thickness, just like this. Okay, I'll change this one to 1200. All right, after which click on okay. All right, so I can now insert this footing. Mind you, I'm at the footing level. Okay, so I insert this here just like this. Okay, so the next thing I want to insert is I want to insert the columns. So for me to insert the column, I will be going to the normal ground level, this one. So this point I will be inserting the first concrete column. Okay, so I want to insert a square column, but in this dialog property there is no square column, so I will click on family, load family. Okay, just like this, click on load family. I will navigate to the library just like this, and I will check the UK library, scroll down, and then click on the structural columns concrete. Okay, this is a square column. All right, click on open. So it has migrated from 2018 to 2021. I want to edit this. Okay, the size is 300 by 300. Okay, so I want to duplicate this. Okay, and then I will rename it. I want it to be 350. Okay, by 350. Okay, just like this. 350 by 350. Click on it. Okay, and then also edit this place. 350 by 350. All right, click on okay. So I want to insert it now, so I'll click this point to insert it. Okay, so this is the column. Okay, all right, so the next thing I want to place here is the stanchion. Okay, so this stanchion, for me to place this stanchion, I will be navigating to the roof level, this level. Okay, at this level I will be placing the stanchion, so I will click on the columns again, and then I will be able to select these three columns. Okay, I want to use this size 203 by 203 by 52, so I'll select this. Okay, and then I'll zoom in and then be able to place it here. All right, so it's already placed there. Okay, so if I go back to the level footing level, so I want to, the column has not been extended to this point. Okay, so what I want to do is I will go to the south to look at it. All right, so it's actually in place. Create a 3D view of it, so I'm having something like this. So this is what I intended having. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, I want to change the material of this footing, so I'll click on the footing. Okay, then click on this point, or close here, scroll down to this point. Yeah, okay, so click on this. Alright, so I want to change this material, so click on this point, and then I want the foundation to take this color. Then I click on okay, click on apply, and I okay it. Okay, so if I check it in shaded view, then go to fine, you have the color being applied. Okay, so I want to do the same thing to this one. I will go to this place. Alright, so I will change this color. I want it to be this one, okay, I'm gonna say we'll use this one, so click on okay. applied. It's been applied. So I want to also change this distension. Okay, change distension. I will click on it and I will navigate to this structural material. Okay, just like this, and I'll change it from white to this color, this one. Alright, so after having this done, if you check by this side, this one, you will be seeing a structural line, analytical line. Okay, this line is called the analytical line. So for you to get rid of analytical line, you can just come to this place, come to edit visibility graphics. Okay, at this point come to analytical category, this analytical column, click on this point. Let me move this way. Click on this point, this one, to uncheck this point. See, it's no longer there. Click on applied. Alright, and then click on OK. Alright, so the next thing, we want to place the base plate. Okay, base plate, and as well the anchor bolt. Okay, so for us to go into that. Alright, so I will come to view. Okay, and then I'll click on this tile view. Okay, just like this. So you'll be having something of this kind. Okay, for this one is for the 3D. Alright, so this one is for the foundation level. This is normal ground level where we may not need this foundation level, so we'll remove this one. This is the roof level. We don't need this roof level. We'll remove this one. Okay, this is the 3D. Okay, we have already have 3D here. So we'll remove this one. We don't need this one. You say yes. Alright, this is part of this particular one, part of the old project. Okay, so this one is the foundation level. Okay, so can you remove this? Okay, alright, so I want to zoom this one out, then zoom this out like this. Okay, alright, then over to this place. Okay, you can also try to extend this just like this, so we can see it very well. Alright, so after which we want to create a base plate. Yeah, a base plate. Yeah, so what we need to do to create this base plate is, at first we want to make sure you make this prompt. Okay, find. Okay, make it prompting. Okay, and then you can go to wireframe, so you can see either side of the columns and the extension. So now navigate to the structural tab, you go to this T tab. So this is the base plate, so you click on this. Okay, once you click on that, you click on this rectangle. Okay, click on this rectangle, and then you can just select this point, cancel. Alright, so you, after you activated this point, click the plate. Okay, and then you select this rectangular shape, can click SUR just like this, and then we can just place it here. Alright, you can see it showing there. Okay, alright, so after which you can just click on modify it, and then try to use this to adjust the plate. Okay, by moving it just like this. Okay, you can use the arrow button just the way I'm doing to adjust it like this. Okay, so I think the plate is okay like this. Okay, so we are having 310. Okay, by 300. Okay, plate. Alright, so if you check very well, you notice that it is reflecting here this view. Okay, and also in this view. Okay, so this is it in this view. So you just click on finished here, this point. Okay, Alright, so it's been finished. You can see the warning. They say the created elements are only visible in the detail level, okay, which is the fine level. Alright, so it's not seen here because this place is not activated to be find. Okay, so if I make it fine level, you can see it here, this one. Okay, so select is being selected here. Okay, so I want to change the thickness by increasing it to 16 mm, just like this. Okay, I want to increase it to 16 mm, just like this, and then click on this point, so it's being increased. Okay, so I want to check how we also highlight it here, and then I want to check this material. Okay, so let me see the material that is in there. Okay, is white. Okay, so I want to just make it this color. I want to use this one, okay, to use this color like this. Click on OK, apply that. Okay, all right, so the material color has been changed successfully. So if you want to check it, okay, you can click here and click on the shade. Okay, you notice that this is the base plate. All right, so in this one I want to add a bolt, okay, anchor bolt to it. So for me to be able to do that, I will use this tab, this bolt tab. Click on the drop down menu, select anchor bolt. So after selecting anchor bolt, I want to just highlight it that way, okay, so that the cursor will change to this. Once the cursor change to this, you can bring it here, okay, this place. All right, you click this place to activate this view, okay, and then you select, okay, you can click here to activate this view, then select the surface of this place, the surface, just like this. Okay, so once the surface is selected, okay, you now have to activate the rectangular drawing tool. Okay, so once the rectangular drawing tool is activated, you can as well activate this view. Okay, so you can place it on the view. Okay, so I want to place it from this point to this point to this point, so I click just like this. Okay, then click on uh, finished. Okay, alright, so the boat has been placed successfully. Okay, alright, so I want to see it, so I will activate this view. Okay, I like this. Okay, so that is the boot, but I can right click and then go to override graphics under category, so I can adjust the transparency, all right, of this particular element. Click on apply it. Okay, so I can see the boot now. Okay, uh all right, so what I need to do, I want to edit this boot, so I can just select it here. Okay, you can use your arrow key to adjust it as well. You can come to this point and then be able to adjust the length on the side. Okay, the length on the side is 170. You can make it 150. All right, click on it, apply it. All right, it's been pushed inside a little bit. Okay, so then the intermediate, this intermediate, let's just make it 100. Okay, click on it, apply it. All right, so it's too closed. You can just make it that 150. I think that will be okay. All right, so you can still highlight it, check some certain things. Okay, check some certain things like this one. Let's see this to be 80. Okay, all right, so you see it's been shifted from this station. Okay, so like this is okay. So what we need to do now is we go to the standard and then can change the pattern. We wanted a hook anchor bolt. Okay, this one, can use this one. Okay, that is the hook. Okay, as well you can change the length. Okay, but this particular one, let's check for another one. Okay, so let's see this one. All right, if you increase the length maybe to 300. All right, so you can also cut it, okay, as a stainless steel or as a bronze zinc plate or as a galvanized. Okay, just like this. Okay, So you can also see it here. If you uh, reduce the visibility graphic of this one, select it. So this is the anchor board. All right, so we have been able to uh, place the foundation columns, and as well we created plate a plate, and then also we have inserted the anchor board, all right, for this lesson. So I know that this lesson have helped you in one way or the other. So you do it to like the lesson, subscribe, and hit on the bell notification icon, so you will be prompted each time I upload a new lesson of this kind. Stay tuned. Bye.